In a world where athleticism meets culinary adventure, two figures stand out. One mirroring the sharp features and athletic build of Cristiano Ronaldo, the other a shorter man with a warm face and beard akin to Lionel Messi. They sit side by side in a modern studio, a scene straight out of an ASMR dream, with ultra close-up shots, high detail, and intense lighting. The Ronaldo-like figure holds up a red-hot chili pepper to the camera, crunching into it with gusto. The sound of his chewing is crystal clear, his face contorting in a display of intense spice. He whispers, "Not every brave soul can stomach the heat, Lionheart." The sounds of his mouth, lip smacks and all, echo throughout the studio. The Messi-like figure watches in astonishment, a smirk creeping onto his face. As our scene closes, he chuckles and shakes his head, the camera slowly fading to black.